Well, I came into the shed. I walked right by that sucker. Look at it. Hey, friend. What's going on, buddy? Oh, I'm on. Let's take you back. Let's let everybody have a look at you. Hey, buddy. I don't think we're gonna let him go this time. We're gonna let him. If he's made his way all the way back, or if this is another one, I don't know. But we're gonna let him go. I just wanted to show y'all. Don't bite me, buddy. Alrighty. My wife said she was missing him. One more look at him. Before he crawls up here on my neck. Can't believe he stopped right there. He's gonna bust me right in the face. Alright. We're gonna let him go in the flower bed. I think he might keep some of the other snakes away. Maybe keep a cottonmouth away anyway, hopefully. Here, we'll let him go right here. There he goes. Look at him go. Bye, buddy.